Good afternoon, students. Today I am going to start exercise 5.6. Solve the linear equation by the method of cross multiplication. Yesterday you have already completed exercise 5.5. Solve the linear equation by the method of substitution. So today I am going to start cross solve the equation by the method of cross multiplication. So today's question is 8x plus 5y is equals to 11. This is equation 1. And equation 2 is 3x minus 4y is equals to 10. So first what we will do, we will keep this value means 11 take here in the left hand side. So this equation will be converted as 8x plus 5y minus 11 is equals to 0. In the same way, this will be 3x minus 4y, and if you will take 10 in the left hand side, it will be minus 10 is equals to 0. So this equation is similar to a1x plus b1y. I told you previously in the starting exercise of 5.1. This is similar to a1x plus b1y is equals to c1 is equals to 0, and the second equation is equals to a21x plus b2y is equals to c2. So in this way, to find the value of in the method of cross multiplication, what we will do, to find the value of x means if you will take as x, when you have to find the value of x, what we have to do, when you will find x, hide the value of x and multiply this with this value, means multiply b1 into c2 and b2 into c1. So to find the value of x, put here the value b1 into c2 minus b2 into c1. Means when you will going to find x, hide the value of x and multiply. This is b1, so b1, and this is c2. So what I have written here, b1 into c2 means this is b1 and this is c2. So b1 into c2 and multiply this means b2 into c1 minus, put here the minus and write that b2 into c1. So in this way, multiply this with this means 5 into 10, this is 5 into 10 minus 4 into 11. Okay, means you have to cross multiply this with this and put minus, and thus multiply this with this. So first we will, in this way we will find the value of x. In the same way, when you will going to find the value of y, then hide the value of y and multiply this with this, means multiply this value is what, this is the value of this one, is that is first when you will going to find the value of y, then hide y and multiply this with this, means multiply with c1 with the a2. So this will be 11 into 3, this will be 11 into 3 will be minus 33. Again put here the sign of minus and then multiply this with means c2 with a1. So this will be 10 into 8, so this will be 10 into, the value of here is minus 10, so minus 10 into 8, that will be minus 10 into 8. Okay, in the same way, when you will going to find the next value, the value of c1 and c2, hide c1 and c2 means the value of number. So to find this value we have to put here as 1 instead of c1 and c2, means c1 and c2 is the value of place value of the numbers. So here we will put here as 1. So hide this value and multiply this with this number, means multiply a1 into b2. So this will be, if you multiply a1 into b2, this is 8 into minus 4. So here we will write 8 into minus 4. Again put here the sign of minus, multiply this with this means 3 into 5. So put here minus 3 into 5. Now solve the values. After putting the values, solve these things. So this will be 5 minus 5 into minus 10, that will be 50. This will be minus 4 into minus 11, this will be minus minus plus 44, again plus minus minus, this will be minus 44. So we will get this value. In the same way, solve this. This is y upon minus 11 into 3, this is 33. This is minus, put here minus, and this is minus 10 into 8, this will be minus 10 into 8 will be minus 80. Now in the same way, solve this value. So what we will get here, 8 4 ja 32, this is plus minus minus 32, this is minus, put here minus, 3 5 ja 15. Now solve the equations to get the value of x. To get the value of x, what we have to do, keep the value of x is equals to keep the value of 1. Okay, so what is the value of x and the value of 1? So value of x is, here the value of x is x upon minus 50 minus 4 will be minus 94, and the value of 1 is, this is 1 upon minus 32 minus 15. If you will add both this will be minus 47. So keep both this, the value of x and value of 1. So this is x upon 94 equals to 1 upon minus 47. So minus minus cancel. Now cross multiply this, so you will get 47 into x, this will be 47x, and 94 into 1, this will be 94. So therefore x is equals to 94 upon 47. So 47 1 is 47, 47 2 is 94. So in this way we got the value of x. In the same way, to find the value of y, put the value of y equals to the value of 1. So the value of y is y upon minus 33 plus 80 is equals to the value of 1 we have got already, that is 1 upon minus 47. So keep this together. So y upon 33 plus 80 equals to 1 upon minus 47. So if we subtract minus 33 from 80, what we will get, y upon 47 equals to y upon minus 47. Now again cross multiply both this. So what we, after cross multiplying, what we will get, 47 into minus 47 into y is minus 47y, and multiply 1 with 47, we will get 47. So therefore y is equals to 47 divided by minus 47. So if you will, in the table of 47, 47 will comes in the tables of 47 in 1 times, so it will be 47 1 just 7, 47 1 just 47. So here is minus 1 and here is 1, so minus 1 will be divided by minus 1, then what we will get, we will get minus 1. So this is the value of y. So value of y is minus 1 and the value of x is 2. So this is the answer. So in this way you have to solve all the rest of the problems of exercise 5.6 and as well as all the problems of exercise 5.7 in your holiday homework. Okay, and if you have any kind of query, kindly ask me. Okay, thank you.